In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sierra Chart Time and Sales. Time and Sales, often called the tape, shows you the most recent executed trades so you can see how orders are actually hitting the market in real time. It's a powerful way to read momentum, gauge activity, and filter out noise when you only want to focus on what's printing. Start by opening a Time and Sales window from the top of the chart. In the main menu, look for the Time and Sales option. Depending on your setup, it might also appear as Trade TNS or Raw Data TNS. Selecting it opens a dedicated window that lists the most recent trades for the symbol you're currently viewing. As the market moves, this list updates continuously, with new prints appearing as they occur. Once the window is open, take a moment to review which columns are displayed. Common fields include time, the trade price, the trade volume, and the current bid size and ask size. These columns help you connect each print to the surrounding liquidity. If you prefer a cleaner view, you can pare it down to just time, price, and volume. If you want more context, keep bid and ask sizes visible to see how much size is stacked on each side as trades come through. Choose the combination that makes it easiest for you to make decisions quickly. To make important activity stand out, enable row highlighting. Highlighting can draw your eye to larger trades, sudden bursts of activity, or trades meeting specific conditions. For example, you might set a color for prints at or above a certain volume, or a different shade when activity accelerates. The goal is to create a visual cue so you don't miss the moments that matter. Keep your highlighting simple at first, and refine it as you learn what catches your attention without cluttering the tape. Next, apply filtering rules to reduce noise. A common approach is to show only trades above a certain size so you're focusing on more meaningful participation. Set the minimum volume high enough to filter out tiny prints, but not so high that you miss legitimate moves. You can adjust these thresholds as market conditions change. Finally, decide whether to show bid and ask records in addition to executed trades. Including bid and ask updates can help you see when liquidity is stepping in or pulling away. But if you want a pure trade-only view, keep it off. Choose what keeps the tape readable and actionable for your style. With these settings, you tailor Time and Sales to deliver exactly the information you need, right when you need it.